Cut one piece of ribbon, 15 inches long. Tape the ribbon to the table to use as a template. Use this ribbon to measure and cut 6 more pieces about the same length. Flip the cup upside down. Stick 3 Velcro dots on the bottom of the cup. Hole punch 6 holes, evenly spaced, near the rim of the cup. Thread a ribbon through each hole. Tie a double knot near the hole. Leave as much ribbon as possible dangling. Thread a bead onto the end of each ribbon. Stick 2 Velcro dots back to back onto the very end of each ribbon.